यार शोर रुकना नहीं चाहिए।
Can you guys hear me?
बचपन से एक्टर बनने का था दिमाग में कि बचपन से एक्टिंग करनी है?
I was 10, 12 years old when I decided that I want to become an actor.
ऑपरेशन सफेद सागर ने तो कमाल करके रखा है। Since playing an Air Force officer is not an easy job, so I wanted to know क्या preparations लगी आपको?
So I think, you know, one thing these officers taught me is that the nation के लिए लड़ रहे, they are fighting for the country. The country is their family and they're fighting for that. Still they take out time for their family and their loved ones. Yesterday I met someone at the gym and he said, are you in Operation Safed? I said, yes. He said, I love the show so much that I would want to join the Air Force now. यार प्रिंसिपल भी है क्या? There are no teachers here, right? मार पड़ेगी। यार कॉलेज में यार मैं मुंबई सबसे आया हूँ। I was just, you know, like very much into acting because that was the reason I came to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me clearly? Okay, perfect.
बचपन से एक्टर बनने का था दिमाग में कि बचपन से एक्टिंग करनी है?
यार
बचपन से
यार मतलब I think I was in 7th or 8th grade. I was 10, 12 years old when I decided that I want to become an actor and this is what I want to do in life. So yeah, luckily I came to Mumbai, I did my college here and from the very first day I started acting. Yeah.
एंड उसके बाद तो ऑपरेशन सफेद सागर ने तो कमाल करके रखा है।
बस यार कोशिश कर रहे हैं। How many of you here have watched Operation Safed Sagar? Be honest. Okay. It's on Netflix, you can still watch it. It's not going anywhere.
यार सच्ची बी ऑनेस्ट किसने देखा है? सच बताओ यार, सच में। हम पूछे कैसी थी? पूछ सकते हैं। अजय भाई आप हाथ उठा रहे हैं, आइए ना। कम ऑन स्टेज, कम। अजय भाई आप हाथ उठा रहे हैं, आइए ना। कम ऑन स्टेज, कम।
You the first person. So कैसी थी? So बहुत अच्छी थी। Like especially the 6th episode was my one of the favorite, जिसमें like मिशन अबॉर्ट करने के लिए बोल रहे थे, बट स्टिल लाइक
ज़्यादा स्पॉइलर मत देना यार लोग।
नहीं देना
स्पॉइलर नहीं देना। बट अच्छा लगा ना देखकर।
हाँ, बहुत मजा आया।
I mean, yeah, we also enjoyed shooting for it. I think this is one of my best projects so far I've been a part of because you get to play a real life hero. जब real life hero play करने का मौका मिले तो यार आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। Every day we were becoming a better person on set. So yeah, it's really a project. This project is a dream come true for all of us.
And apparently, like from this mission, we got to know a new aspect of the Kargil war.
Yeah.
Like Kargil war was a very big war. So like नए missions हो रहे, operations हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे।
आपको ही पैदा भी नहीं हुआ तो कारगिल वालों I'm very sure. I was
getting new information.
I was 1 year old during the Kargil war. But through this show, we got to know so many things, like what happens. And this is just one chunk. ये सिर्फ एक chunk है जो Golden Arrow Squadron की कहानी है. ऐसी बहुत सारी कहानियाँ थी Kargil war में, which maybe we'll tell in future. But this is just the story of one squadron. So yeah, I mean, people are loving it and it's amazing. Thank you for watching.
थैंक यू बड़ी। ऑपरेशन सफेद सागर एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट है एंड कारगिल वॉर के बारे में। सो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा दैट जब आप शूट कर रहे थे, हाउ चैलेंजिंग वाज इट फॉर यू?
Honestly, you know, we've been very grateful to shoot in real locations. So I just said this yesterday also that we've got our Nolan. Christopher Nolan can shoot Odyssey, can shoot Interstellar in real locations maybe. Interstellar the real locations can shoot it because for that you'll have to go to space. But mostly he prefers shooting real locations. Same with our director Oni Sen. He shot in real locations. We literally sat in a cockpit. Of course, हमने उड़ाया नहीं है because I'm not trained as a pilot. But we sat in a real cockpit. We shot in real Air Force locations. So that was an experience of a lifetime. And we shot in Shinkula Pass, which is 16,500 feet above sea level. So the actual war took place at 18,000 feet, and we were shooting at 16,500 feet. So it was an amazing experience. I mean, you know, this is an experience of a lifetime.
Okay.
Maybe the young generation when they see the show, they feel like joining the Air Force or Navy or Defense. You never know. Just yesterday, I met someone at the gym, and he said, "Are you in Operation Surveillance?" I said, "Yes." He said, "I love the show so much that I would want to join the Air Force now." So that is beautiful, you know. Like, so if people are telling us that they want to join the defense forces, they want to join the army, navy, and air force, I think we are successful as creators, as actors. क्योंकि मुझे याद है लक्ष्य देखकर, ऋतिक रोशन की लक्ष्य देखकर, I was so inspired to become an actor. You know, like लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है. मैंने अपना लक्ष्य performing arts, acting को चुना, and that movie moved me in a way. That movie inspired me. But there are a lot of people who joined the army watching Lakshya. So I'm glad if people are watching our show and if they want to join the defense forces, it's a win. It's a win, yeah, honestly.
And
Thank you. Oh God.
इसको 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 हम लोग स्टेज पे बुलाएंगे हाँ इसके बाद so he's playing Balreddy aka Baldy in the series. So playing an army officer, as we all know, is not an easy job. बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है, अपने आप को मेंटेन रखना पड़ता है. So I just wanted to know कि क्या क्या आपने किया, because since playing an Air Force officer is not an easy job. So I wanted to know क्या preparations लगी आपको.
Honestly, I would say it was a mix of, it was an amalgamation of mental preparation and physical preparation. So physicality में we had to get the body language correct, because of course जो discipline होती है उनमें defense forces में, we had to get that discipline in our lifestyle and in our body language, because you know there's a different salute for army, there's a different salute for navy, there's a different salute for air force, and also a different way of walking for all three different defense forces. So that we had to correct. And उसके अलावा यार, for my character, I feel my character was so complex that he has a different emotional arc going on with Prajakta, and then for the nation.
Yeah.
So उसका प्यार दो हिस्सों में बटा हुआ था. Love to the wife and families, love for the nation.
Yeah.
So he was always juggling between both the love. So I think, you know, one thing these officers taught me is that हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. यहाँ बहुत लोग रिलेशनशिप में होंगे, I'm sure. बट गर्लफ्रेंड्स को अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के लिए टाइम नहीं होता, बॉयफ्रेंड्स को अपने गर्लफ्रेंड्स के लिए टाइम नहीं होता. पर ऑफिसर्स टाइम निकाल लेते हैं यार, वो नेशन के लिए लड़ रहे. दे आर फाइटिंग फॉर द कंट्री इज द फैमिली, एंड दे आर फाइटिंग फॉर दैट. स्टिल दे टेक आउट टाइम फॉर देयर फैमिली एंड देयर लव्ड वंस. So that is one learning I would want you all to learn.
Mir, I wanted to know that since there are so many beautiful people in this series, we have Dia Mirza, we have Jimmy Shergill, we have Siddharth, a lot more, even Prajakta. So, इतने खूबसूरत और इतने veterans के साथ आपको काम करके कैसा लगा?
Yeah, every set is a learning experience. I think this one specifically was every day we were just picturing ourselves, is this for real? Are we sitting in a MiG? Are we sitting in front of the helicopter? I'll tell you a story on this later, but to answer your question, I mean, yeah, you've grown up watching Jimmy sir and Dia ma'am and all those films, all their films. So yeah, it was a great moment, yeah, and they were very very chill with us, all of us. So काफी बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं लगा ना आइस ब्रेक करने में, तो वो बहुत जल्दी हो गया. But yeah, I was just telling you, giving you a BTS moment from set.
Yeah.
You know, usually as actors, when we go to a shooting set, to a film set, बैकग्राउंड में ना कई बार डायरेक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि अरे वो कार को आगे ले आओ, वो कार को पीछे ले जाओ. इसमें हम वो हेलीकॉप्टर्स के साथ कर रहे हैं. वो हेलीकॉप्टर को आगे ले जाओ, वो हेलीकॉप्टर को पीछे ले जाओ. There was a pilot specifically sitting in the helicopter for us, you know, taking the helicopter front and back. So that was the size of this project, the caliber of this project. Ki pilots are flying the MiG specially for us so that we can take a shot. So I'm very very thankful to the Indian Air Force for the opportunity.
I just wanted to say to everyone कि बहुत सारे ऐसे wars लड़े गए हैं, Air Force ने लड़े हैं, Armed Force ने लड़े हैं. I think that the series, as you also said that वो series देख के बहुत लोगों को Air Force join करने का मन करता है. I would also prefer you guys to watch that series. It's an amazing series and Air Force का पूरा contribution उस series में बताया गया है. And Mihir, I just wanted to know, आप भी कुछ बोलना चाहो audience को, the people who have not watched the series, anything you want to share?
You're missing out. I'll honestly say this. I'm not saying this because I'm a part of the show, but if I'm watching this show as a layman, if I was not an actor, honestly, देखो मैंने बहुत सारे projects किए, but I'm just talking about this one because it is a show everyone should watch. Because आप जिस भी field में हो, आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हो life में, this show will move you. It will inspire you in your field, in your arena, whatever you want to achieve in life. Apart from that, it will also help you in a lot of other ways, and it will gain the respect for the nation. You actually know what the army officers, what the air force officers actually go through behind the walls. Because unki bhi family hai, they also have a life, but they give up that life so that we can have a sound sleep. You know, उनकी भी life में problems होते होंगे, उनकी भी relationships में problems होती है. If you see the show, you know, like my character. But still, they fight for the nation. और हमें वो जज्बा नहीं है. We actors, हम उसके काबिल भी नहीं हैं. You know, we were just given that uniform to wear. But मैं आज भी बोलता हूँ कि मैं उस uniform के काबिल नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने वो uniform कमाया नहीं. We were just wearing it. So if you watch the show, it will definitely move you. It's inspiring.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद हम थोड़े से गेम्स खेलेंगे. आई नो कि आप लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गेम्स के लिए. सो यू हैव डन द आर्चीज विद जोया अख्तर मैम, आवर फेवरेट जोया अख्तर. हाउ डिड दिस मिरेकल हैपन?
Okay, interesting. So I was shooting for this show called Made in Heaven. It's on Amazon, Made in Heaven. And Zoya met me in the sets of Made in Heaven. So yeah, I mean, I had one scene with Zoya, one or two scenes, I remember. And the scene I had with Zoya that particular day was a very, powerful scene in a police station. It was an interrogation scene. So I was like, यही मौका acting दिखाने का दिखा दो. अपने आप को मैं अंदर ही बोल रहा हूँ. So yeah, I performed and Zoya liked my performance. And she spoke to me on set that very day. She was like, I'm doing a project. I can't reveal what it is, but it's a film for Netflix, and I would want you to audition for it. So that's how Zoya approached me on the sets of Made in Heaven, and I auditioned for Jughead, and I got Jughead.
Let's go.
Because I feel I am Jughead in real life, and I'm good feeling that.
सो मिहिर, ये लोग ना बहुत देर से गेम्स खेलने की बात कर रहे थे, तो हम थोड़े से गेम्स खेलते हैं और आप लोग भी खेलेंगे. सो मैं ना मिहिर को कुछ लिरिक्स दूंगा एंड इसको लिरिक्स कंप्लीट करनी होंगी. अगर मिहिर ने लिरिक्स कंप्लीट कर ली तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अगर नहीं करी तो आप लोग उसे एक डेयर दोगे. चलेगा? रेडी? हाँ, यही तो मजा है. नहीं, we'll call the girl which was saying love you Mihir, we'll call her. ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा, मिहिर ने अगर लिरिक्स कंप्लीट नहीं करी तो आप सबके पास भी एक मौका है लिरिक्स कंप्लीट करने का. ठीक है? These are very trending songs. Okay.
हाँ, और अगर आप नहीं कर पाए तो मैं आपको एक डेयर.
Done. Okay.
कुड़ी कवारी बल्ले, राजा बल्ले.
No.
हम यारो.
नहीं, चीटिंग. अच्छा, किसको पता है? नहीं.
Make some noise for Desi boy. 1, 2, 3. English से डूब के. Come, we will dance together.
4 guys, only 4. Security team. अच्छा, ठीक है, okay. Let's go! Try crazy!
Okay. Thanks on your money.
फिर दे. यार फिर से दूसरा आ जाए. Come on.
Great audience या उमंग? Umang, great audience follows.
भाई क्या बात है. एक बार जोरदार ताली यार मिहिर आहूजा के लिए. प्रीति सबको चैंट पता है ना?
अब ये उमंग
थैंक यू। क्या बात है भाई, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, कम ऑन यार।
Thank you everyone and thank you Bollywood Society for having me. Thank you brother for having me.
Thank you, that. Guys, this was Uday Kundani from Bollywood Society. Thank you so much. Love you, Uday.